Hi everyone, welcome to guzhenlightingfair channel. This is Veronica. Now, our factory tour comes to Guzhen SPM Lighting Electrical Corporation Limited. Founded in 2009, it has over 10 years experience in LED industry. As the boss told me, they has 900 employees covering the area of 25,000 square meters. Wow, such a big and powerful company. And now, where we are standing is the showroom of SPM Lighting. Here, I feel like I'm in the world of LED bulbs. And there are so many kinds of flags above my head. And I guess that the products are very hot sell all around the world. Now, let's have a quick look at their products. This is LED A bulb, LED T bulb, and this way we have LED candlelight. These are LED fan lamps, and these are LED football lamps. Okay, let's move above. These are LED downlights, and the last one is LED car headlights. I have selected 4 feature products, and then I will introduce to you in details. The first series I'd like to introduce to you is LED bulb. These 2 products are very common in LED bulb. This is LED T bulb, and this one is LED A bulb. Now let's have a careful look at their components. This one is the lampshade. It's made of PC. And this one is lamp body. It's made of aluminum and PBT. This is the IC driver. And this one is PCB, the LED chip. E27 and B22. SPM Lighting provides different types according to customers' need. The second series I'd like to introduce is candlelight. Just like the LED bulb I just showed you, they are also made of these components: the lampshade, the IC driver, aluminum part, and the lamp body. The candlelights are usually used as the light source of decorative lighting, such as chandelier and pendant, etc. The third series I'd like to introduce to you is the LED football lamp and the LED fan blade lamp. This one is LED football lamp. It's a big one. And this one is a smaller one. These 2 are LED fan blade lamp. Also, it has a smaller one and a bigger one. They have different watts. Let me see. The smaller one is 28 watt. And the bigger one is 60 watt. Besides, SPM Lighting also provides different colors of the lampshade this way, like red, blue, white, orange, and green. The last feature product I'd like to show you is this LED car headlight. As the slogan said, stronger and brighter than ever. SPM Lighting has 4 types of the LED car headlights: C6, F2, S2, and X7. Now let's have a look at this S2. It has 3 sides of the light source: 1, 2, and 3. While the X7 has 4: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's have a look at these components. It's the IC driver, the fan, the LED chip, and the lamp body. The lamp body is made of aluminum. As the boss just told me, the fan of the LED car headlight is a very important part. It's a key part of the high-speed cooling system, which makes it more efficient and more safety when it works. All these presented products can provide complete sets and SKD according to customers' different requirements. If you are interested in these products, don't forget to make a comment below and let us know. Then we will help you contact this factory, SPM Lighting. And if you want to learn more about factory tour, please follow up hosted by a program Go Online to stay close with us, which will be run from March 18th to April 18th. See you at the next factory. Bye bye.